Tired of sparks, heat, and burns ruining your welding sessions? Today we're breaking down the best welding aprons for heat protection to keep you safe, comfortable, and focused on the job. Check the links in the description below for the best deals and full specs. Let's go! Serious metalwork demands protection you can trust when sparks, heat, and molten debris are part of the job. The QeeLink leather welding work apron is built from 100% heavy-duty split cowhide leather designed to handle extreme workshop conditions while providing full knee-length coverage. Measuring for extended protection, it shields the torso and legs from flame, spatter, and heat during welding, grinding, and forging. The leather thickness of approximately 1.3 to 1.5 millimeters delivers excellent durability without sacrificing flexibility. Reinforced with heat-resistant US Kevlar stitching, the apron holds up under repeated high-temperature exposure and rough daily use. A standout feature is the crossback strap system, which evenly distributes weight across the shoulders, eliminating neck strain during long work sessions. Adjustable straps make it suitable for both men and women up to XXL sizes. Functionality is enhanced with 6 thoughtfully designed tool pockets, including dedicated spaces for a phone and pencil, keeping essentials within easy reach. Customers frequently praise the apron's heavy construction, comfort, and excellent value, with some noting it has saved them from costly clothing damage. Overall, it's a dependable choice for professionals who want long-lasting protection and practical convenience. Reliable protective gear is essential for anyone working around intense heat and flying sparks. The LeaSeek leather welding work apron is handcrafted from flame-retardant split cowhide leather and designed for full upper body coverage during demanding tasks. With generous dimensions of 24 inches wide by 36 inches long, it provides excellent protection against spatter, heat, and sharp debris. Durability is a major highlight thanks to double needle stitching with sturdy, heat-resistant US thread. This reinforced construction ensures the apron can withstand years of regular use in welding shops, blacksmith forges, and fabrication environments. Comfort is equally prioritized through an adjustable cross-strap shoulder design that reduces neck and back strain, making it ideal for extended wear. A quick-release buckle allows for fast fitting and removal. Practicality comes from its well-designed utility pocket, which includes a deep phone pouch and pencil holder, reinforced with riveted edges for added strength. Customers consistently report outstanding heat protection and comfort, especially during hot metal work. Many consider it a long-term investment due to its robust build quality and reasonable price point. This apron balances protection, comfort, and functionality exceptionally well. Working with molten metal requires gear that provides uncompromising safety while remaining comfortable and efficient. The LeaSeek leather welding apron with gloves offers a complete protective solution made from 100% heavy-duty split cowhide leather. Designed to extend to knee length, the apron delivers full coverage against sparks, heat, and spatter, making it suitable for welding, forging, and metal fabrication. The thick leather construction is both flame and wear-resistant, ensuring long-term durability even in harsh environments. 6 integrated pockets provide ample storage for tools and accessories, reducing downtime caused by searching for equipment. The included leather gloves add extra value, offering puncture resistance while remaining soft and flexible for precision tasks. Comfort is enhanced by a crossback strap harness, paired with a quick-release buckle, allowing easy adjustments for a secure, custom fit. This design effectively eliminates neck strain during long work sessions. Customers frequently highlight the apron's excellent leather quality, practical storage layout, and strong protection against molten metal. Many also note the gloves as a valuable bonus. Overall, this set delivers exceptional value for professionals seeking both safety and convenience in one package. Not all protective aprons need to rely on heavy leather to deliver serious performance. The ecoZen waxed canvas welding apron is constructed from 16 ounces waxed canvas, reinforced with heat-resistant Kevlar stitching, offering an innovative alternative that balances toughness and flexibility. Designed for heat, chemical, and workshop resistance, it provides reliable protection without the stiffness common in traditional leather aprons. The waxed canvas material remains flexible, allowing free movement while preventing oils, dust, and debris from soaking through to clothing. A shoulder-hanging harness system evenly distributes weight, eliminating neck and back discomfort during extended use. This ergonomic design is frequently praised by users who work long hours in machine shops and woodworking environments. Storage is another strong point, featuring strategically placed deep pockets with protective flaps to keep tools and electronics secure. The zippered phone pocket comfortably fits larger smartphones and prevents accidental drops. Fully adjustable straps and a quick-release buckle ensure a secure fit for a wide range of body types, including larger sizes. Customers consistently commend its durability, comfort, and thoughtful design, making it a standout choice for professionals who prioritize mobility and practicality. High-risk tasks call for protective equipment that prioritizes safety without compromising comfort. The Jewboer leather welding apron is crafted from heavy-duty split cowhide leather and designed to provide extended coverage with its impressive 45.2-inch length. This design offers enhanced protection for the torso and upper legs against welding sparks, grinding debris, and intense heat. A unique feature is its high collar design, which adds extra protection to the upper chest and neck area, often overlooked in standard aprons. The leather is flame retardant, wear-resistant, and insulated, making it suitable for demanding industrial environments. An adjustable belt with a simple socket mechanism allows users to achieve a secure fit based on body size and preference. Customers frequently praise the apron's solid construction, comfort, and effectiveness in protecting against hot flying metal. It's commonly used for welding, grinding, and fabrication work. Some users note a strong leather smell initially, which typically fades with airing. Overall, it delivers excellent value for its level of coverage and protective performance, especially for those who need extra length and neck protection. Minimalist design can still deliver dependable protection when executed correctly. The LahChak Leather Workshop apron is made from raw cowhide leather with varying thickness, offering lightweight comfort while maintaining flame retardant and heat insulating properties. Measuring 39 by 26 inches, it provides sufficient coverage for everyday welding, woodworking, and workshop tasks. Unlike bulkier alternatives, this apron focuses on simplicity with a single pocket design and adjustable buckle strap system. The lightweight build, averaging around 1.25 pounds, makes it easy to wear for extended periods without fatigue. Its straightforward construction appeals to users who prefer functionality over unnecessary extras. The leather offers good resistance to heat and sparks, protecting clothing from slag and debris during welding and grinding. Customer feedback highlights its comfort, good coverage length, and excellent value for money. However, durability feedback is mixed, with some users reporting long-lasting performance and others experiencing wear over time. Overall, it's a solid choice for light to moderate duty tasks where comfort and simplicity are key priorities. Thanks for watching. Stay protected, weld smarter, and choose the right apron for maximum heat safety. Don't forget to check the links below, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.